Rose family, it's your girl Serenity Rose. I'm right back with another video, and as you guys can tell by the title, I'm going to be doing my Boxycharm base and premium unboxing and try on style. So I have both of them right here. I have my base box, and then I have my premium box right here. So if you want to see what I got in my base and my premium box, then just keep on watching. So the first thing I'm going to start off with is a lip oil. This was in my base box. So this is from Cosmetics. This is their lip oil in Red Y, and this retails for $11. It looks like it's gonna have a nice little red tint to it. It smells like artificial strawberry, but it feels really nice on the lips, and it does give a nice shine. I like that. Also, I apologize if I sound rough. My throat is like sore. I'm trying to help it with coffee, but it hurts. So next, from the base box, is the Volition Snow Mushroom Water Serum. And this retails for $62, and that's crazy. So this is what the product looks like. It does look really like high end. I love the rose gold top. I believe it's a dropper and it's a frosted glass. So we're gonna use this to moisturize. Oh, it feels really cooling. It doesn't have a scent to it, which I don't mind. Alright, so we're gonna let that sink into the skin, and it claims to leave the skin dewy, radiant, and healthy. I do feel like my skin looks like it has a nice little dew to it, so we'll see how everything blends out over it. So next is the Pero Primero primer. It's a long wear sticky pigment base from Alamar Cosmetics, and this is basically an eyeshadow primer, and this retails for $15. And I'm hoping this has some color to it because I like for my lids to be completely like covered as far as pigment goes. Like I like to have a nice base. This is actually super thick, and it is really sticky. Like, can you see my skin sticking to the brush? That's creepy. So it does have some coverage to it, which I don't mind. Okay, so the next product from my base box is actually from Natasha Denona, and it's in the base box. I'm super shocked. So this is the Natasha Denona Peak 5 eyeshadow palette. It comes in a little cardboard box. This is what the actual palette looks like, and this retails for $48, and it does have these shade names on the back. So I'm just going to create a little look and like speedy, fast motion and time lapse or whatever you call it. And I'm going to point out the shades and come back with my final thoughts on the palette. So this is the look that I created using all 5 shades from the Natasha Denona palette, and I'm absolutely in love with it. It's really cute, simple, really easy to create. So the next and the last product from my base box is the Milk Makeup Kush mascara, and this is the waterproof version. I've had this mascara before, but not the waterproof one. So what I'm going to do now is liner off camera, and then I'll come back to apply the mascara with you. So the original Milk Makeup Kush mascara is in a silver packaging. This is blue, and this retails for $24. That is what the brush looks like. I don't think it's the best mascara I've ever tried, but it's pretty decent. Okay, so I threw on lashes, foundation, primer, and concealer. So moving on to the premium box, I have a new setting powder. This is from Smashbox. This is the Photo Finish Fresh Setting Powder, and I got this in the shade, I guess this is like number 2. So it looks like a medium, like it looks like a medium yellow type of shade, and this retails for $39. And I believe this was a choice item, and this was the choice that I chose. And it looks like a little camera lens, which is super freaking cute. So it does have a mirror. It does like open like a compact. It doesn't screw off. It does come with a nice seal. I also did cream contour bronze. So I'm going to use a little bit of this. Right here it says twist for fresh powder, so I'm a little bit, oh, that is really cool. It looks like it like disperses powder when you twist it. I like that. I like that a lot. That is freaking cool. So I'm just going to use this where I put concealer and see how that goes. So it does look really like orange. So I'm just going to dust this away. So everywhere I put concealer now looks darker than the rest of my face. So what I'm going to do is just lightly tap the rest of this all over my face so everything looks, you know, cohesive. I will say that it left my face looking extremely smooth. This powder would be really good for my foundations that are too light for me. This kind of matches it a little bit more closer to my skin tone, and it is really nice and smooth. Okay, so I completely forgot about this. This is the Dose of Colors. I believe it's a single shadow in the shade I Need Space. So I'm going to see what color this is and see if it can be incorporated into this look. So this is what the packaging looks like. Super cute. It's like a black glitter shade. I don't really know how I can incorporate this in this look. Maybe on the lower lash line, on the outer corner. Yeah, let's just finish the lower lash line right now and then use that shade. So I'm just going to mix these 2 shades right here and apply it on the lower lash line. And I'm going to use the only shimmer shade on the palette for the inner corner highlight. I'm gonna swatch this just so you guys can see. It does have glitter in it, but it doesn't really show up. I'm gonna have to use this in a different look, but it is really, really pretty. This retails for $20. A single shadow for 20 bucks is a bit excessive, so I would probably just opt out and get a whole palette, like from ColourPop. Okay, so next product is the Pure 4-in-1 Skin Perfecting Powders Face Palette. This retails for $32. This is super cute. I love the packaging. It's like super sleek. It's like a plastic like container. It says medium tan on it, and the shade names are on the back. Oh, this is beautiful. So it comes with like a blush, highlighter, bronzer, contour type of thing. I'm gonna mix these two shades to bronze. Then I'm going to use this blush here. You do have to build it up, which I prefer in a blush formula. This is really easy to go overhand with blush. And I'm going to take the last shade in here and use it as highlight. It looks like it's going to be a bit too dark, but we're going to try it anyways. This actually doesn't look like that deep on the skin at all. It looks a lot more icy. I'm so confused. It looks like it's gonna be a deep bronzy type of highlighter, but it's showing up like icy. I actually really like this palette, except for the fact that this is actually too light for me. But besides that, I like it. I'm going to finish off the rest of the face, and then I will speak to you about the last two products from my premium box because I cannot use them. So, editing Serenity here. I actually just looked at my Boxycharm cards. I completely forgot to tell you guys what version I got. So I will leave the version like right here. I also completely missed an entire product for my premium box. I believe this retails for $26. I will leave the price here somewhere, but I did miss this. This is the Real Her Lip Liner Duo. Yeah, so this is what the box looks like. I can't believe I missed an entire product. It was like all the way at the bottom of the box, so when I was picking stuff out, I completely missed it. So here are the lip liners. So we have Be Yourself, Be Real Her, and then I Am Confident. There are like sayings on them. I'm going to assume those are the shade like names. So we have a nice nude, and they are retractable. So I'm going to swatch the nude right there. These are different swatches from a different video, but this is what I Am Confident looks like. And then I'm going to swatch Be Yourself, Be Real Her, which is more of a maroonish red type. Ooh, that's not maroon, that's just straight up red. Which doesn't really match to the cap. It seems a lot more brighter on the skin, but yeah, so I figured I'd just pop in and let you guys know that I missed an entire product, so there is that. Back to the regularly scheduled program. Okay, so this is the completed look. So I'm actually super impressed with how everything came out. So the next thing from my premium box is from Cosmetics, and it's like this two-piece facial type of brush. It says the skincare brush set. This retails for $25. So basically the big one is for a cleanser and the little one is for face mask and exfoliating. Because I didn't do a mask in today's video. And then the last thing in my premium box is from Grown Alchemist. This is the Detox Night Cream. This retails for $125. I thought I wasn't saying that right. That's expensive. Oh, hell no. $125 for this little tube. That's ridiculous. This is about to work miracles. I'm not going to try this anytime soon, but when I do try it, I will try to update you guys. I have so much nighttime skincare open already that I'm trying to work through, so I won't be trying this, but I'm sure that it's good, especially for the price point, because if it ain't, they just getting you at this point. So on that note, that brings this video to an end. I actually enjoyed everything that I got in the premium and base box. Like, I wouldn't be able to pick a favorite. I'll leave the prices on the screen when I'm talking about the actual product, and then I will leave the value of the base and premium box on the screen right here. So if you guys enjoyed, drop a thumbs up, comment down below what you guys thought about everything that I got. What did you get if you get Boxycharm? And please don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you go. I would love to have you guys join the Rose family. My daughter's waking up, so I gotta end this quick. So I hope you guys are staying safe, staying blessed, having an amazing night or day wherever you are, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.